Got drunk off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in.
Hey guys, welcome back another new video. Today we describe the biography of Gaby De Paula. Gaby De Paula is a Mexican model and social media influencer. She was born on May 5, 1994, in Mexico City, Mexico. Gaby gained widespread recognition for her striking features and curvaceous physique, which has earned her a massive following on social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. Gaby began her modeling career at a young age, initially working with local brands and photographers in Mexico. Gaby's modeling career has been marked by her versatility, as she has comfortably transitioned between different genres, including fashion, lingerie, and fitness modeling. She regularly shares updates about her life, career, and interests, which has helped her connect with her fans and establish herself as a relatable and down-to-earth influencer. Today, Gaby continues to model, influence, and inspire her fans around the world with her beauty, charm, and captivating personality.
Para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away.